Hello, welcome to PokerStars Learn. I'm Spraggy, and in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about satellites. A satellite is simply a type of poker tournament that offers the chance to win entry to a bigger tournament, basically giving you the opportunity to participate in events, live and online, that might otherwise be out of your budget. So, how is a satellite different from a standard poker tournament? Well, normally, players compete for cash prizes. The higher you finish, the bigger the amount, with the winner earning the single biggest percentage of the prize pool. But in a satellite, the prizes are usually all the same. It's a set number of tickets or seats in a larger buy-in tournament. For example, a $10 satellite with 100 entrants awarding 10 $100 tournament tickets. There's a few different types. You can play an online satellite to a bigger online poker tournament, or alternatively, you can play a live satellite to a bigger live poker tournament. You can also enter an online satellite awarding tickets to a live poker tournament. It's possible to win a package to a live event such as an EPT. These packages often include extras such as flights, hotel, and expenses, as well as the buy-in to the tournament. If you win a seat to a specific tournament, be that live or online, you are normally automatically registered. But if you win a ticket to an online tournament, you have a little more flexibility. You'll have a set period of time to use your ticket, and it can be used to play any tournament at that specific buy-in level. PokerStars recently launched a new type of satellite called PowerPath. This is a 4-step qualification route running every day. It awards so-called power passes, bronze, silver, and gold, which can be used to play online poker tournaments and live events, such as the EPT and UK IPT. Step 1 is a 50-cent spin and go. Step 2 gives you the choice of playing either a $1 sit and go or a $1.50 MTT. Step 3 is an $11 tournament. And step 4 is a ticket-only qualifier where you can potentially win a bronze, silver, or gold power pass. Bronze is worth $109. It can be used to play selected online tournaments, including the Sunday Million. Silver is worth $2,500. That lets you play in a major online series or at a regional live event. Gold is worth $10,300. That offers access to prestigious events like the EPT and the biggest online tournaments. Now, the bubble in a satellite is a big deal. There's no min cash. There are no prize money ladders. If a satellite pays 40 places, whether you finish first or 40th, you get the same prize. So, if you're in 30th place on the leaderboard, it makes no sense to play any hands and risk your tournament life. Here's a strategy tip for satellites. Your goal during the bubble is to play 0 hands and collect your prize with no risk. Pay close attention to stack sizes and how many places award a ticket. Let the other players take their chances. Let's look at an example. 42 players remain and the top 40 all receive tournament tickets. You check the lobby and you see you're currently in 30th place. Under the gun, with a 25 big blind stack, you're dealt aces. You're the first player to act, and almost everyone else at the table has more chips than you. So, what's your play? Fold, call, or raise? If you choose fold, you are correct. It may sound ridiculous, but it's definitely the right strategy to fold aces here. Remember, there are 12 players who have fewer chips than you, and you only need 2 of them to be eliminated before the tournament is over and the tickets are awarded. If you end up all in pre-flop, aces will win approximately 80% of the time, but there's still a 20% chance that you won't win a ticket. It's a risk you just don't need to take. I've been in this position myself too, where there were 15 players remaining and 13 players win a seat.
What about this then? Satellites, how do they work? Spike call? Spike call? What's going on here? 13 seats. We're 6 of 15. Feels like a pretty easy fold, right?
That was Spraggy's guide to the basic principles of satellite tournaments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more poker videos. Thank you for watching.